All right, guys. So I want to run a video to show how to set up a Tencent account because I found out that some persons are having challenges to set up their Tencent account to run Q node. Now, if you applied for the credit and they sent you a mail, that means you'll be able to set up your account without paying for it. So that means for the 3 months that we are going to run Q blockchain, the node, you will not pay a dime for it because okay, see it. So each person got $500. Okay, so use promo voucher. So let's. I think as I just sign up, I came to my account billing. So let me play around with this. Use promo voucher. Let me play around, see what will happen. Okay, pay as you go. Reusable validity period to see when it will end on the 10th of um April. So it will be able to cover our 3 months because we're going to run Q node for 3 months. It will be able to cover our 3 months. So details, let me just check out. So what it means is that if you've not started using it, okay, it's unused. Okay, remaining 500. Where are we supposed to use this? Okay. Um I think we have to set it up first. Let's set up our node first, our VPS, then run the node and check whether it will show used. If not, then I'll have to figure out how to go about it. Okay, let me do pay now and see what will happen. Let me run pay now. Um, um, let me. I'm just playing around here. Let me see. No, it's taking me somewhere else. That's not it. That's not it. So let me just go straight to setting up a node. I'll figure out this one. So you come to product, then you come to cloud virtual machine. You click there, CVM will open. So when it opens, you will now create instance. Okay, we are on instances. You can see that. You can leave this place at default or you can change it. I'll just leave it at default. You click on create. Um, this is really taking time. Okay, pay as you go. So we are on pay as you go. I'll leave this at default. Availability, I'll leave it also at default. So CPU cores, I will go for let me go for 32 by no 16 by 32. I'm going for 16 by 32. Then I leave the rest. Instance family standard, model standard, all models. But I've choose 16 core, then 32 gig. Then, so this is what I selected, standard 16 core, then 32 gig. Then here, 32 vCPU 16 core, because Qnode require 8. Yeah, 8. That's what they require, I think. So let me check that out right now. Let me see the requirement for that. What's this? What's this? What's this? Where am I? No, that's not it. Just give me a moment. Let me check out this stuff. Okay. That means I really can't remember where I saw it, but it's HCP. That's what they require. So we'll go for 16 by 32. We'll go for 16 by 32. So where are we? All right, cool. Just give me a moment. Let me cross check this thing. I need to find out. I'm sure before we create. All right, cool. So what it requires is six. The minimum requirement is 6 CPU and 8 gig RAM. So we're going for 16 CPU and 32 gig. So we are way above. We are way above. So 16 CPU. So here's our config. Where is it? All right then. So here's where we are. 16 then 32. All right. So we scroll down. Yeah, I'm going to click a image. I'm going to click it and choose Ubuntu. I'm going for Ubuntu. Then I'll leave it at 64 bits. Then image, I'll choose a stand. The first one, 22.04. Then usage, I'm choosing cloud SSD. Then capacity 50 gigabytes. That's what I'm choosing, 50 gigabytes. I'll leave this unchecked because I'm not interested in snapshots. So I'll click there, select a VPC, default. You this is check, you leave it there because we'll need our VP IP. So I'll leave it. Bandwidth, I leave it at default. Here I'll click on new security group. I'll click it and leave it at default. Other security. So I'll login methods. I'll use set password, login name Usubuntu. Now you have to take note of this because the first one I did I wasted time because of that. So I hope they are good. It doesn't show. So let me enter the password. Okay. I'll check here prevent instances from being accidentally terminated in the console or the API. I'll leave everything the way they are. I'm not going for advanced settings. Never. So here's some of our details. Standard 16 CPU, 32 gig, cloud, SSD 50 gigabytes. So I'm done. I'm basically done. So I'll click on configuration fee. Don't worry, you'll not be charged because you have your credit. Then bandwidth fee. This is a charge per gigabyte. So I'll click on enable. Alright, so you give it some times for it to start running. Okay, it's running now. So for those that are using Windows, you have to download Putty to be able to access your your VPS. I'll drop a link. You can rename your stuff. I can say Q node. I rename if you want to. Then it will load. Okay. Q blockchain. So this is your IP. You are going to use public IP to access your VPS. So already have my since I already have my Since I already have my Putty, I'll drop a link for those that don't have Putty to download. That's for those that are using Windows. If you are using Linux, Mac, you have to use your terminal to access it. But if you are using Windows, you have to download Putty. So let me open my Putty so that you see how to access your stuff. So what you need here is to impute your public IP. Impute your public IP. Click on open, accept. So log in as Ubuntu, then enter your password. Don't worry, as you're typing your password, it will not show, but just know that you are typing it. If it's correct, you will log in. Now we have access to our VPS. Memory usage 1%, system load, processes, users logged in. So this is it. So because I don't want the video to be long, so the next one I'll run, I'll do a video now to use our Tencent VPS to run Q node. So I'll upload this one. After uploading it, I'll now have to do the next video on how to use our VPS to run Q node. So thank you for watching, guys.